Hi friends, my name is Orange, Orange. I'm a citrus fruit known for my bright orange colour and refreshing, tangy flavour.
Hi, friends. My name is Guava. Guava. I'm a tropical fruit with a unique aroma and sweet-sour taste.
Hi, friends. My name is Strawberry. Strawberry. I'm a sweet and juicy red fruit, great for eating fresh or in desserts.
Hi, friends. My name is Grapes. Grapes. I'm a juicy and sweet fruit, perfect for snacking or making wine.
Hi, friends. My name is Pineapple. Pineapple. I'm a tropical fruit with a sweet and tangy flavor, known for my prickly skin and spiky crown.
Hi friends, my name is Mango, Mango. I'm a tropical fruit with a sweet and juicy flesh. Great for smoothies and salsas.
Hi, friends. My name is Pomegranate. Pomegranate. I'm a unique fruit with a tough outer skin and clusters of ruby red seeds inside, known as arils. I have a sweet and tart flavor, bursting with antioxidants and vitamins.
Hi, friends. My name is Banana, Banana. I'm a soft and sweet fruit, perfect for smoothies and desserts.
Hi, friends. My name is Papaya. Papaya. I'm a tropical fruit with a sweet orange flesh that's great in salads and smoothies.
Hi friends, my name is Watermelon, Watermelon. I'm a large, juicy fruit with a sweet taste, perfect for cooling off in the summer.
Hi, friends. My name is Kiwi. Kiwi. I'm a small green fruit with a tangy taste and a fuzzy brown skin.